Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your system is updated and the live wallpaper file or app is ready. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Open Settings or the Wallpaper app immediately, then navigate to Personalization or Display. If using a third-party app, launch it now and grant any permissions it requests. Make sure you understand file format requirements, MP4 or GIF for many tools, and check GPU driver status. Once done, you're ready to select the source for the new live wallpaper. Now pick the wallpaper source and preview it. You want to confirm motion looks smooth and composition fits your screen. If the tool offers playback controls, set loop or one-shot behavior and mute audio if unwanted. Configure scaling or crop so the video matches the desktop aspect ratio. Use 16:9 or adjust manually. For laptops, enable pause on battery saver and lower frame rate if needed. Make these changes deliberately because they balance appearance with system performance. Finish by applying the wallpaper and then check each monitor to ensure it displays correctly. Many apps require you to assign per monitor. If the animation stutters or the system slows, reduce resolution, lower frame rate, or switch to a lighter format. Should the wallpaper not show, restart the desktop shell or the wallpaper app and reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: update GPU drivers and restart the machine. That resolves most rendering and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.